in love with you. Okay, you guys. What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new and you've never seen my face before, hi, my name is Ash and this is my channel, Living Ash. You guys are probably like, why are you wearing a hat? You're in the house. I literally just got back in and I have a little haul for you guys because I actually did some exchanging and returning today. So I did decide to go into Burlington, and I actually mentioned that I was going to go to Burlington in the video that I uploaded earlier, which was my blind buy fragrance video. So if you haven't seen that, make sure to check that out. So yeah, I went over to Burlington and I got some really cool stuff. Very simple, just some body care hygiene products that I know I'm going to use in the shower. Like, you guys know I love to shower, so I'm going to show you guys that. Also, I want to mention this Toka Cleopatra fragrance, and I want to talk more about it, but I want to get a bigger bottle first. But I'm not going to go crazy and splurge because I do still have this. But if I can recommend any fragrance to you, it's this Toka Cleopatra. It is so beautiful. I've been walking around and I still smell it on my clothes. I put it on my clothes and on my body before I left. It is phenomenal. The longevity is phenomenal. It is gorgeous. I was shocked. You can see my true reaction to this fragrance when you guys watch the blind buy fragrance video. Absolutely incredible. If you can get the bigger bottle, this is worth the buy. I highly recommend it. I've been getting compliments all day. Just had to say that. I was actually wearing Twilight Woods, but I think this just overdid it. Like, this right here is phenomenal, I just have to say. So I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up from Burlington. It's only like 4 things in this bag, but you know what, I thought I'd just make a video, talk to you guys, because I like to just show you guys what I purchased and everything like that. So the first thing, this is exactly why I even went to Burlington to begin with. This is the Johnson's Vita Rich body wash. Now, I have the Johnson's pineapple wash. It's like a pineapple with like a lily aroma wash. These are very rare to find. I have only ever seen them in Burlington. If you don't have a Burlington near you, you can probably find it online on like a resale website. But these are so good, and I absolutely love Johnson's products. So this is more like a Johnson's for adults in a way, because I know a lot of Johnson's products are targeted towards babies. This is for us grown-ups, and it is so good. This one specifically is the nutritious with cocoa butter. Amazing. I cannot. This one's very light. If you like a nice cocoa butter scent, this will be it for you. I also like the packaging as well. If you've never seen this, I know a lot of you have probably never seen this. This is a nutritious body wash with cocoa butter. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so amazing. I'm happy I got this. I have the other one, which is in my shower right now, and I'm telling you, it lasts so long out the shower. I was even telling my boyfriend last night, I'm like, I still smell myself. Like, that's a problem with a lot of body washes. You don't smell your body wash after you get out the shower, and that's a problem because I spent my time to wash my body and I want to smell really nice. So these are really good, and I do like cocoa butter. Some nights I don't want to smell very, you know, scented like Victoria's Secret, whatever. I want to smell like a nice cocoa butter, shea butter baby. So this is something I purchased. Let me tell you how much it was. The company retail price, they said it's $8. I picked this up for $3.99. I can show you guys the price right here. Hopefully it'll focus. I'm trying to do this video with no editing, but yeah, $3.99. I highly recommend buying body care products from Burlington. I get a lot of really good products, so this was the first thing I picked up. If you can go to Burlington and pick one of these up, it's huge. This will last you a while, especially if you're like me. I use so many different products. You know, I'm not really worried about this running out anytime soon. So let me see. The next thing I picked up, which honestly, you guys, I wasn't even going to get. I was like going back and forth. I was like, am I gonna get it or am I not gonna get it? One, because I find myself very often picking up things that I just want to have, and then I end up not using as fast. And sometimes, like, I just picked up, if you haven't seen I think I did a Walmart shop with me, I found Degree bar soaps. Like, who knew the brand Degree, like deodorant Degree, had bar soaps? I had no clue. So when I found this Dove soap, and we all love Dove. Dove is just, I don't know, Dove is everything. So I found this Dove cream oil beauty bar, and it's actually the beauty cream bar with Moroccan argan oil, moisturizing cream, gentle cleansers. I think I got something on this. I'm looking forward to using this because I don't even know how it smells. I should probably open it on camera with you guys right now. The retail price for this is 10 bucks, and that's kind of crazy. But I did pick it up for $3.99, if you guys can see that. $3.99, and this comes with what, 4 bar soaps, I believe. So actually, hopefully I'm not disappointed, because I'm actually looking forward to using this, because I'm like, what's a cream oil? And if it's moisturizing to the skin in a bar soap, that's awesome, because I love to use bar soaps in the shower. That's just what I do. So ooh, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys up close. It is the Dove cream oil. This is super interesting. I've actually never seen anyone talk about this specific scent, so I'm like, what can this be? It's a beauty cream bar. My nose is itching me right now, but let me open it and see. Ooh, let me smell. It does smell like Moroccan oil. Ooh, look at it. And it's actually not as white as most Dove bar soaps are. This one has a little more of like a brown, more like yellowish tint. But I'm excited. I mean, it's not like the most fragrant thing, but that Moroccan and argan oil type of thing, that is very, very prevalent in this bar soap. I want to know if it's like a cream to oil type of thing in the shower. I'm going to actually use this tonight and see how it is, because I'm interested in like hygiene products, body care. You guys, I just buy things, and the thing is, I like to get things at a good price. If it's expensive, I would have never purchased this big bar soap for $10. I would have never done it. But for $3.99, especially, like for me, I like to try things out. Like if I don't like something, I don't say it's a waste. I say it's okay, it's an experience, and I didn't like it, and I just, you know, I don't use it anymore. But you know what? I bought it, so we're gonna try it out, and if it's good, I will let you guys know. One of the next things that I picked up, I guess I'll talk about this because the other thing is kind of exciting. This one is the Baby Dove Head to Toe Wash Sensitive Moisture. One thing I have to say, if you go to Walmart and you find the Baby Dove bar soap, okay, that one is phenomenal. The lather is beautiful. It gives you a really good clean. So if you find the Baby Dove bar soap, pick it up. But I wanted to try this body wash because I actually made a mistake, and I'll show you guys right now. Hold on, give me one moment, don't leave me. I went to Walmart and I purchased this Baby Dove sensitive skin nighttime lotion, thinking, I mean, come on you guys, can you blame me? They literally look the same. I thought this was going to be a wash, but I didn't look. I went too fast, and it is the sensitive skincare body lotion. But it does smell really good. It's a calming moisture one, and I picked this up a while ago. I did like a baby products video, so you know what, now I have the opportunity. This was a little expensive too. I believe this was almost like $7, you guys, in Walmart. Like, no way. But this was a really great price. Let me tell you how much it was. $2.49 in Burlington. What? This is amazing. And yes, it is a smaller bottle, but especially for, you know, your feminine lady parts, it just, for me, it's not that bad because I don't use that much soap. I just use a little bit, and a little goes a long way in my opinion. So yeah, I got the Baby Dove head to toe wash, and I want to know if it's actually going to be good. It is. Oh, one thing that's super important to me, it's fragrance free. Down there, I don't use anything with fragrance. As much as I love my fragrance on my face and down there, I do not use any fragrance. And that actually is something that I recently started doing, like especially with my face. Like down there, not really. I didn't really use anything before. But for my face, like I really wasn't informed on the fact that you shouldn't be putting fragrance on your face, like even essential oils and things like that. So I was like, whoa, like I used to be putting some smell goods on my face, and since I've changed my skincare routine, I've been using CeraVe, I've been using my Kiehl's moisturizing cream, which is incredible. It's so hydrating and moisturizing. And what I've noticed, especially with my skincare, I've kept it simple, because when I like took myself off of like the Clean and Clear and all the other products that I thought were good and they just were terrible, I realized that, you know what, I started using a whole bunch of stuff like The Ordinary. Like I started buying all these things that like all these influencers were telling me to get, and I realized I didn't need to be buying all of that stuff. And it's like whatever works best for your skin, find out, take your time. You can try out different things, but don't overdo it. I know it's easy to overdo it. I'm known to overdo things, but I realize I keep my face skincare routine super simple. I get in the shower. If I have makeup on, like today I have makeup on, I'm gonna use my squalene cleanser from The Ordinary, and that's like an oil-based squalene cleanser, and then I'm just gonna wash off my face with that. Then I'll go in with my CeraVe, because that's like my actual cleanser, and then I'll clean my face. So I usually do a double cleanse when I wear makeup. After that, I literally, you can put some niacinamide on or whatever, but on most days I just moisturize and go to bed like at night, you know, and I don't do anything crazy, and my face has improved so much. I used to get like crazy random breakouts, and it was just a terror, okay? Like not even makeup can cover up those breakouts. So you guys, keep it simple. Don't try to do too much and you will be just fine. But let me show you guys one of the last things that I picked up, which I think I am most excited about. So I do have Baby Magic in the baby cologne. I wonder if I picked that up. No, I didn't pick it up to show you guys, but I do have Baby Magic in the baby cologne, and I love that. Johnson's baby cologne is one of my favorites though. I can't even lie to you. Like I'm obsessed with Johnson's baby cologne. I'm almost done with it. I know you guys want to see empties, but I just feel like I don't have that much empties, but I'm gonna do it for you guys because I want you guys to be happy. So I will do it maybe soon. I'll probably do it tomorrow. Like I like filming these videos late at night because they're super chill and I'm just talking, and I like talking, so that's what I'm gonna do. But I did pick up this Baby Magic lotion, and I haven't seen this anywhere. I don't even think I've seen this in Walmart. This is the Sweet Buttercup scent. Listen, Sweet Buttercup. What? I love that scent. I have so many like sweet scents. I like buttery vanillas, but this is more like a calendula coconut. This one hydrates and nourishes. It's a lightweight, refreshing formula, and it's hypoallergenic, no parabens. I can never say that other word, dyes, or mineral oil. I like this. It says nothing is sweeter than baby's soft cuddles, so it is important to maintain moisture in their skin. Oh my gosh, this is enriched with their nourishing calendula oil and hydrating coconut oil, soothing aloe, and your baby's gonna smell like a sweet buttercup and can have soft, healthy skin. So the baby isn't here yet. I don't have a baby, but I'm gonna be using this on me. And don't worry, I took the seal off earlier to show my mom. She was like, sweet buttercup, the baby's gonna smell like buttercup. I'm like, I guess, but it's very light. Like I like that baby products aren't heavily scented, especially if you have sensitive skin, you know? Ain't nobody trying to smell too heavily scented all the time. And for me, when I like to go to sleep, I can't wear any heavy fragrance. So this is something I am looking forward to, and I'm gonna tell you guys the price in just a minute, but this is heavenly. It's very pretty. It smells like baby products, honestly. It's not like a crazy sweet buttercup scent like you would think, but it's so moisturizing, I feel. I don't know yet. It's too early to tell, but this might be a little more moisturizing than the Johnson's body lotion, because I have Johnson's body lotion and their moisture is just not up to par, but their scent is. But this is just beautiful. And they had several of them, so I probably should have picked up more. And for the price, you guys, look at that gorgeous price. $2.49. Can you believe that? $2.49. And this is what the bottle looks like. Someone actually got mad at me for holding the products sideways, but it just fits better when you do it sideways, because then it cuts off everything unless I move it back. But yeah, so here is Sweet Buttercup Baby Magic moisturizing lotion, and I was happy about this. And this is the first Baby Magic lotion that I have. I only have their baby cologne because I just, you know, I didn't need any other ones, but when I heard Sweet Buttercup, your girl had to purchase, and it smells really good in my opinion. Don't think it smells like cake. It doesn't. It smells like really fresh baby, but it does smell really good. So I picked this up, $2.49. I think this haul was really affordable, really cheap. I don't think it broke the pockets. That's just not what I was trying to go for. And I'm excited to literally wind down right now, take a shower, use my Dove cream oil. I should do a body care routine using literally only Dove products, because I am so interested in Dove right now. I'm getting back into Dove. I was talking about how it used to dry out my skin, and it hasn't done anything so far. So far so good. I don't know, you guys. I'm happy. I feel like, you know what, sometimes for me it's the little things like buying these products that make me happy. Because when I buy like really expensive products, as much as like, you know, expensive can be cool, I don't feel that good because I spent so much money, and I'm like, am I gonna really use this? Am I really gonna get joy out of it? So, you know, just like my little head to toe wash for $2.49, this made me really happy today. And you know what, that's what matters to me. And I really enjoyed that yesterday's video I asked you guys, you know, what is something, you know, that happened to you today that made you happy? Let me know in the comments, like anything good that happened to you today. I would really love to know. And I appreciate you guys sharing those things with me, because they honestly make me happy to read. And thank you guys so much for your positive comments always. They are appreciated. I really love my true supporters on here, like the people who comment and leave nice comments and aren't critical and try to judge you, because I think a lot of people try to paint you to be so perfect because you're online and you're an influencer, and I have never called myself that. And I am just me, and I'm on here talking about things that I like with people that I like here on my channel, and I think that should be that, and it shouldn't be anything more. So thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate the support. God bless you. Keep God first. I'm praying for you guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.